Welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This bean soup pot, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this pot, the diameter is about like 10 inches, and the overall height is just about like 14 inches tall. As we can see the front, they do have a name tags. You can just remove it and change it, slide out and push back. And for the bottom, we have 2 indicator lights to notify you the machine is running, and also to adjust the temperature levels to changing the different heat level. And from the manufacturers, they give you the standard 110 plugs for the US. And also at the bottom of the units, they do come in with the 110 voltage stickers and the ETL sanitation stickers on it too. So we can take a look closer to see the pot dimensions. So when we remove the lid, we can see they have a stainless steel pot, and they can remove for easy clean. And inner side diameters will be 7.5 inches, and depth will be 7.5 inches too. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.